Now we are going to learn our elif statement in Python, that how can we use elif in statement in Python. It's just like if statement that we use, and we will use the same example as we use in the if statement. So I'm just going to copy the this one print statements, and I will copy and make a new file here. So elif, you can call this statement elif or else if, whatever you want to say. I will make a comment here, elif statement or else if statement, whatever you want to call, but here in Python we call it elif. You must have here in other programming language that if else if, but here if we use elif. So now first of all I'm going to copy the same content here, and here you can see I just copy and paste it here, so I can save my some time. And now what we are going to do, I will comment here elif statement using elif statement. Fine. Now what we are going to do, we are using if statement here. First, if age greater than equal to 18, print. Now we are going to making a voting app, a voting program to check whether a person is able to vote or not. If a person is greater than or equal to 18, then he is able to vote, or he or she is able to vote. If you are 18, if age greater than equal to 18, you are able to vote. And here we will use a elif statement, and we will say elif age less than equal to 18, not equal to, if elif age equal to less than 18, print that you are not able to, that you are not able to vote, you are not able to vote. Fine. You guys can also make another elif statement, because I do not have another example in the voting machine, in the voting program. So let me add another example. It must be worst, but you have to understand what I'm going to say. I'm just trying to teach you, and that this is elif statement that we use in our program, like as if statement. Okay, I'm just going to add other example, that if you are able to vote, if elif age not equal to 18. Note this exclamation mark defines that you are not equal to, so we use it in Python, even in also in other programming language. If age is not equal to 18, print. You can also print that you are not able to, or you are a kid. That if your age is not equal to 18, you can say that you are a kid, you can't vote right now. Else print. This is just an example. I'm just trying to show you this how else and if else condition work in Python. And you can also print that for example, not equal to, greater than equal to, and at last you can say you need a ID card, you need a ID to be a part to vote, simply. So it's just an example. I know it's a very bad example, but it's enough to teach you. You can understand what I'm trying to say, that we can use, how can we use else or elif statement in our Python program. You can also use other examples. I will also try to teach you. I will also make a interview program so that you guys can understand if else conditions. So now here you can see, and I'm going to compile and show you what are the outputs. So here you can see name, enter your name. Oh, it's here's a programming error in line 6. Let me check it out. Age equal to integer import fine. Okay, let me run this program again. Okay, enter your name. Okay, enter your age 20. This is just an example. It said that you are able to vote. Here you can see that we write a successful program using if and if else condition